Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you how to go to a student's Legislative Acts page and update the Literacy Act tab. This video is being filmed in a pilot training server where there are fake students and fake data. Any likeness to any real student is purely coincidental. In order to navigate to a student's Legislative Acts page, to look at the Literacy Act tab, you're going to first go to that student record. I'm going to search for my student here and click on their name. You can also pull up an entire grade level, and then once you have your selection, you can use the drop-down box here to navigate to the next student or the arrows. Once you're on the student, you're going to go to Academic Records and underneath More, Legislative Acts. Once the Legislative Acts page loads, you have a Literacy Act tab. The information in the first section of this page for dyslexia and Lexi's Law is live data, meaning that whatever school year you are in your drop-down box up here at the top right-hand corner, you will be updating live data. You do not have to navigate back to a prior school year in order to check these boxes or select a dyslexia intervention from the drop-down box. You will just need to navigate to the student's record as we've done, check the appropriate boxes, and select the appropriate intervention from the drop-down box and hit submit. Again, you can do this from any school year. You don't have to go back to the previous school year. It will default to this current one, and when you're checking those boxes, it does update on the student record in any year. The next portion is for summer reading camp and then for promotion and retention options. These are tables, meaning that you do add year-based information here on these tables. To add summer reading camp information, you're going to click on Add. You will choose the school year here. For the year, you will select the last year of a year sequence. For example, you would choose 2024 for the 23-24 school year. And then you will select the information, invited, attended, and then the percent of time as appropriate for the student. And when completed, you will hit submit. This will add an additional item to your table here, and it will show the last year in the school year sequence. Again, for the year 2023-2024, you would choose 2024. The next portion of the page is promotion and retention options. This information needs to be completed for all third graders. In order to do this, you're going to click on Add. Here you are going to choose from the drop-down box again the school year. So for 2023-2024, I would choose 2024. Then the next portion is the promotion options. This is where you see several different options to select the reason why a student was promoted. It's important to understand that every single third grade student needs to have this record entered for them, even the students who made the cut score. So that first option here above the cut score, if that is your selection for those students, it does need to be entered on those students. It's not only entered for students who have a different pathway to promotion. So all third grade students need a record for the promotion retention option. If it is a retention option that you need to select, you can make your selection in the drop-down box here. So whichever is appropriate for the student needs to have a selection on this page, all third grade students. Once you have updated your information, you're going to hit submit. Again, if you are needing to update all of your third grade, a great way to do that would be to go ahead and select your entire third grade. That way you can use your arrows here to navigate from one student to the next. We also have several documents that show you how to update this information in mass. If that is something you are interested in, those are located on the PowerSchool Alabama Edition website. If you are not familiar with the PowerSchool Alabama Edition website, you can Google search PowerSchool Alabama Edition and it should be your first result. On the left-hand side, you have a menu and you are going to look for the very last option down here, Updating Student Data. And on the Updating Student Data page, we have a document here on how to update the Literacy Act page. It does show you how to update this on an individual student like I just walked through. And it also shows you how to build a spreadsheet to import back in if you wanted to update this information in mass. If you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to the PowerSchool coaches and we can assist you.